Hey, Tom, thanks for being here.
Thank you, Casey.
All
Pleasure.
right, let's talk about Wall & Associates. Just give us an overview of what all you do for folks.
Well, we're one of the largest and best tax resolution companies in the country, and for over 30 years we've been helping individuals and businesses resolve their issues with any the state, local, or IRS.
That's right. So you have a lot of experience in your belt, over 30 years in the business. Talk about what makes you different from other tax resolution companies out there.
Well, I mean, the biggest difference is that 30 years of experience. I mean, we've seen just about everything and anything that can happen to an individual and have a way to help them through that. And we have probably the best people in the industry that can guide them through that process.
Absolutely, and it is important to have a team of experts helping you. A lot of people try to do it themselves, but they can make some mistakes along the way.
That's absolutely, the biggest mistake they can make, because the IRS has thousands of pages of law and code that most people don't know, and it's very easy to get yourself in trouble by trying to do it yourself without having professionals that can help you.
Right. And a lot of people may not think about this, but it will actually save them money in the long run. Talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. Our average settlement is very substantial versus what most people do owe, and the negotiation process, you have to have some experience at doing that, and if you try to do it yourself, or you have a company that really doesn't know what they're doing, then you're going to pay a lot more in the long run.
Right. Now let's talk a little bit about tax debts. How long does it typically take to pay one off?
Well, normal tax debts don't happen overnight. People have let this happen to them over, a number of years.
Right.
So it takes a little while and a little bit of time to get that resolved. But the biggest thing is just picking up the phone and getting the process started. Once you give us a call, we'll have a free consultation with you. You'll meet with someone locally here to get them started, and then our team of tax experts will be able to help them through the process.
Right. A lot of people may wonder, how much does it cost, but it may depend on each person.
Yeah, there are variables there. I mean, there's no one answer to that question. What I can say is that the consultation is free and that the fees are affordable and can be made, payments made over time.
And most importantly, it'll save you money in the long run.
Absolutely.
And take the stress out of it too.
Yeah,
love that.
absolutely. People don't realize the amount of stress that they are under until they get the resolution.
Exactly. Tom, thank you so much.
Thank you, Casey.
Hey, contact Wall & Associates at 615-823-2832 or log on to wallandassociates.net.